Welcome back to vocab. For the second marking period, we are going to the first unit study, chapters 7 through 12, adjectives. Our first word is nocturnal. Raccoons are nocturnal animals. If you see them in daylight, they are probably sick. So think about when you typically see raccoons, and then using the context of the sentence, what would the opposite of daylight be? Nighttime. Good. So nocturnal means of, about, or happening in the night. All right, so think about other animals or things that only come out during the nighttime. They would be considered to be nocturnal. The second word is concurrent. Rachel had accidentally promised to attend 2 concurrent parties. Okay, so concurrent must mean something that you would agree to at the same time, which means happening or existing at the same time. Okay, so you can't possibly be 2 places at once, so you would have to decide between the 2, which might cause a dilemma for you. Our next word is predominant. Red hair is a predominant physical feature in some families. So if you take a look at the picture for your mental model, you see how many of these children and parents have red hair. So it is something that is the most common or most noticeable. In your families, you might have something that is predominant. It might be tall or short, okay? But something that's predominant means that it's very common. Prerequisite. Most college students have to take a certain number of prerequisite classes first. Right, just like you guys have to for English 2, what is the prerequisite for English 2? It would be the class that comes before. So a prerequisite is something that is required beforehand. If you guys know what the prefix pre means, you'll be able to remember the word from that. Pre means before. And requisite sounds like require. So something required beforehand. Implausible. Every excuse we came up with to explain how the car ended up in the pool seemed implausible. If you take a look at the situation, it seems like it's very unbelievable. Here, our prefix im means not, so not believable. Incoherent. Charlie Sheen became known for his incoherent rants that he posted on the web. Right? A lot of the times he would start talking about things that didn't make sense. So, they are unclear. If something is incoherent, it is unclear. Your writing can be incoherent. You could be going on a rant and talking about all different things that don't make sense. That could be considered to be incoherent. Venetian lace is known for its intricate designs. So if you take a look here, you can see that the designs are very detailed or complicated. Sinister. Every villain needs a sinister laugh. So if you know what villain means, right, it's the bad guy, you can know that sinister means evil. If you take a look at the picture here, he's making a face like he's up to no good. Vulnerable. A newborn, unvaccinated baby is vulnerable to many diseases. So vulnerable means open to or exposed. So if you leave your house unlocked, or if you don't have any lights on at your house could be vulnerable to be attacked or robbed by a burglar. Blatant. Nathan was such a blatant cheater that his teacher caught him quickly. Okay, so someone who's cheating blatantly is very obviously cheating, constantly looking around, looking under their desk, making it obvious. Gaunt. Anorexia can cause a person to look gaunt and sickly. So if you notice from the picture here, she is excessively thin and bony. Oftentimes we can associate gaunt with pale and looking very sick. Okay, and those are your words for the week. Don't forget your homework is due on Thursday.